Hi, nice to have you with us today. I am Ivy, the narrator. This time, let's use the stamp Pebble Dash to draw a conifer that is often used for garden trees. Pebble Dash is a type of exterior finish. Try using this brush on coniferous leaves as a test. Let's get started. Change the color of the canvas as desired. Tap on any brush. Prepare new brushes. Add new brushes using drag and drop. Pressing directly on a brush in the browser replaces the current brush. Pebble Dash. The color of the base is black. Add a bright green. Let's add brighter greens little by little. The painting of the conifers is completed. Use Undergrowth 2 to draw the undergrowth. When painting with Undergrowth 2, some colors close to the selected color are automatically mixed. Moss Blend is used to mold the leaves. Make it lively with splatter. Draw the clouds. Use Putty Blend to represent clouds. Blend as if scratching with sandpaper. Blur them. Now, the work is done. Did you find any useful tips for painting an art set 4? Please join us again next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright guys. Thank you so much for watching. Otsukar sama deshi ta.